Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy calls and puts on Fidelity. First, ensure your Fidelity account is approved for options trading, which is a crucial initial step. Then, you will navigate to the options trading section on their platform. We will cover understanding the basics of calls and puts, and then walk through the simple process of placing an order for each type of option. This easy method will help you get started confidently. Let's clarify what calls and puts are. A call option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy 100 shares of a stock at a specific price, called the strike price, before a certain expiration date. Conversely, a put option grants you the right to sell 100 shares of a stock at its strike price before its expiration. Understanding these fundamental rights is key to successful options trading. Now, let's place a call option order. After finding your chosen stock on Fidelity, click the Trade Options button. You'll then see an options chain where you can select an expiration date and a strike price that aligns with your strategy. Next, input the number of contracts you wish to buy and choose your order type, such as a limit order. Always review your order carefully before confirming the trade. Placing a put option order follows a very similar process. Once you're on the options chain for your selected stock, you will identify the put options. Choose an expiration date and a strike price that reflects your market outlook. Then, specify how many put contracts you want to buy and select your desired order type. It is essential to meticulously review all the order details one final time before submitting your put option trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.